presenting a pre-owned 2014 Hyundai ACCENT SE. This four-door hatchback has a four-cylinder, 1.6-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Hyundai has less than 125,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 27 miles per gallon in the city and 38 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, wireless data link, spare tire kit, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.